Hi, I'm Suja, first year student at Skiller School of Technology, and in this video, I'll be sharing my experience of my first ever 24-hour hackathon. And spoiler alert, we didn't actually win. ये inspirational, motivational story तो नहीं है. So अगर तुम उसके लिए आए हो then तो but regardless हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा. So to give a brief about the hackathon which is named as Buildverse Hackathon, it's a 24-hour offline hackathon जो मेरा college that is Skiller School of Technology host कर रहा है in collaboration with Hack with India and Geeks for Geeks. Approximately 1000 teams ने register किया था जिसमें से सिर्फ 130 टीम ही qualify की थी on the basis of ideas and each team में approximately 2 से 4 members हैं and qualified teams को Skiller School of Technology के campus में आके project build करना है within 24 hours. So to start off I had to do the most difficult task, that is सुबह जल्दी उठना. Because 9 to 10 approximately reporting time था and I barely had any sleep the night before because I was too excited for the hackathon. Anyways, since we were slightly late, me and my friends decided to book a cab and go to the main campus. जब हम निकले बाहर वहाँ पे construction चल रहा था, so we had to listen to this insane banger. जिसके लिए मेरी पूरी नींद उड़ गई. Anyways, once we made our way there, we got our ID cards, some food coupons and some stickers. मैंने सारे stickers अपने लैपटॉप के पीछे लगा दिए and my favorite one is actually this dinosaur one क्योंकि it reminds me that you know हमारे hostel में कितना mid internet आता है. बहुत दूर दूर से लोग आए थे and honestly देख के लग रहा था कि बहुत promising लोग आए हुए हैं. So I thought कि competition थोड़ा बहुत tough होगा and it was. हैकाथन 3 बजे से चालू होना था, सो हमारे पास अभी भी थोड़ा बहुत टाइम था. सो वी वर बेसिकली डिस्कसिंग हाउ वी वुड बी बिल्डिंग आवर प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड वी मतलब मी एंड माई टीममेट्स. लेट मी एक्चुअली एक्सप्लेन द प्रोजेक्ट दैट वी आर बिल्डिंग. हम बेसिकली एक फिटनेस कोच बना रहे हैं जिसमें 2 मेन फीचर्स रहेंगे. एक फीचर रहेगा विच इज बेसिकली स्नैप टू ट्रैक. वहाँ पे तुम खाने का पिक्चर अपलोड करोगे एंड इट विल टेल यू द न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू इट हैज. अनदर फीचर विच इज बेसिकली द मेन फीचर इज एक्चुअली द बॉडी पॉस्चर रेक्टिफायर वाला फीचर, जहाँ पे तुम बेसिकली कोई एक्सरसाइज या वर्कआउट कर रहे होगे अपने लैपटॉप के कैमरा के सामने and it will tell you that your form is correct or not by guiding you in real time. Now that is over, let me actually introduce my teammates. This is one of my team members, Nathan Dinis.
I'm from Goa.
This is Nathan. He was mostly responsible for helping me in the front end.
So what?
Randomly go out saying I'm from Goa.
We cut this part and then we record. Okay. Now move on.
Okay.
Behind the scenes.
Bro, this is
Serious guy.
Mohammed Rehan. This is Rehan. He is the guy responsible for making the body posture feature, primarily working on the back end. How do you feel after winning the hackathon?
Yeah. Feels weird, right? You are winning, right? What do you want? Okay.
Yeah, I think it's...
Guys, currently we haven't won anything, so chill guys, relax. But one thing, Nathan is giving us party right now.
Yeah.
Under 500 budget at biryani point. Guys, goddamn cheap dude. I'm not cheap, I actually am giving something. People never give me anything.
And this is the team leader, Musharraf.
I am not a team leader. I am a team leader because nobody else wanted to. That's why I am a team leader.
This is Musharraf, our team leader. He is responsible for building the snap to track वाला feature. Basically जहाँ पे तुम nutritional value पता कर सकते हो pic देके.
By the way, I am Musharraf. I am from Kashmir. But that you want to say?
This guy has done nothing at all.
And this is me. I'm responsible for the front end and also authentication and the database.
This is the main two guys.
Anyways, after the discussion and all, we had our lunch and food was actually pretty good. उसके बाद crew ने hackathon के rules explain किए and the hackathon officially started at 3 p.m. Rehan and Musharraf were working really hard. They were primarily working on the back end and doing their own thing. I was trying to implement Supabase क्योंकि I'll be using that to authenticate and store the user data. कुछ घंटों के बाद I kind of got it working. At least मुझे तो वही लग रहा था. And then I kind of started working on the flow of how our entire project would be. Nathan was actually trying to implement the 3D model in our project. You know, basically that posture rectifier वाला feature. He wanted to make it so that the 3D models would also show you that how the workout is properly done. Unfortunately, हमने realize किया that due to time constraint, we actually can't do that much in that given time. So we just decided to drop that idea. Then we had a small snack break around like 6:30. हमें veg roll दिया था and some chai coffee. After that, I again kept on working on the flow of the program. Nathan helped me out a little bit on that. उसके बाद we had dinner. The food was actually good again. खाने के बाद we just kind of walked and had a few group discussions. By the way, this is how our flow looks like. Anyways, थोड़ा बहुत front end में काम करने के बाद I decided to have coffee with my other group of friends, Pushkar, Rama, Krishna and Abdullah. Their team was called Weave and they were building this AI storyteller sort of a project जहाँ पे you can tell the AI the author and the type of story you want to generate. And during the generation, you will get choices with which you can basically shape your entire story. Similar to choices वाले games जैसे कि Walking Dead, Life is Strange, etc. But just a text version. 12:45 बजे. What do you think you got done this hackathon?
Actually, it was quite a productive day for me.
They are working, coding. कुछ तो लिखा है. And there's this guy who is solving CP problems on Code4.
So I'm of course leading the whole thing. I'm leading the product. Any AI in the code. No AI, absolutely. Never do such a thing. So yeah, would I ever use AI?
Exactly.
Of course not, right? Yeah.
Bro.
So, and I've been advising my team very strictly to all this. So far it's not been very successful, but it's an ongoing change, you know, it's an ongoing
Okay भाई, okay भाई.
Anyways, no, I'm not done, no. I think see one of our teammates is almost dead. Other one is half dead. Yeah.
One rose from the dead.
So we actually wrote 3 prompts to come to this point. Let me name our contributions. 3 prompts. 2 prompts. And I started an EC2 instance. Very, very respectable prompt. And this guy put out prefix. I can start video editing and it crashed. And after 6 crashed. That is the important thing.
I'm glad I'm not a part of their team. FYI, they actually worked really hard. हम यहाँ पे बस मस्ती कर रहे थे. And turns out I was kind of humbled क्योंकि इनका project हमारे project से ज़्यादा ऊपर ranked था. But regardless, I feel their idea was actually pretty good. We also got a midnight snack जहाँ पे basically हमें pizza दे रहे थे जो the taste was actually fine, but थोड़ा बहुत ठंडा हो गया था pizza, so the crust kind of got hard. By that time, Rehan had successfully implemented 2 exercises for the posture rectifier वाला feature, that is planks and squats. And for everyone wondering how it actually works, अगर मैं simple शब्द में कहूँ, then firstly browser captures the video feed from the webcam, and then each frame is analyzed by MoveNet, जो TensorFlow का एक model है, which can make it so that it can get the key points of the body. The key points also include the x and the y coordinates, so the info then goes to Python to find the angle between the key points, basically mirror joints. And then you also have a confidence parameter which basically checks how accurate the angles are of my joints with respect to the actual exercise. And time constraint की वजह से we just decided to stick with 3 main exercises: push-ups, squats and plank. The backend worked as we wanted it to, but front end के साथ implement करना was a tougher task, so Rehan was mostly working on that. Just when I thought that things are actually working fine, I realized that I messed up the authentication part क्योंकि मेरा code apparently scalable नहीं था, and I tried fixing it and I just messed more things. I was kind of losing my mind, but eventually I kind of got it working and a little bit of the front end done as well. But तब तक approximately 4:30 बज गए थे. So I took a break and went to the turf. Like there is literally no one. Okay, there are some people. Campus में तो बहुत जन है. Like कुछ सो रहे हैं, कुछ काम कर रहे हैं. Depends. But यहाँ पे तो बिल्कुल खाली है. I'm alone here. I went around the campus. कुछ लोग सो रहे थे, कुछ लोग काम कर रहे थे. इन लोगों को पिज़्ज़ा मिला था ठंडा. Just kept it on top of the charging pads or whatever. And अब ये गर्म हो रहा है. Technology. After that, Musharraf was also kind of done with the snap to track feature for the backend. To give a basic overview of how that works, basically the image is passed to the pre-trained ResNet 18 model जो 101 food classes में trained है, and that model outputs the probabilities for each food class. And मेरा pick जिससे सबसे ज़्यादा match करेगा, that will be the output. Prediction के basis पे एक JSON फाइल के थ्रू जाता है जिससे उस food का nutritional data भी निकल के आ जाता है. Again, Musharraf ने भी बहुत मेहनत की थी throughout the entire hackathon. All of us kept on working and देखते देखते सुबह हो गई. मुझे रियलाइज भी नहीं हुआ कब सुबह हो गया. आई डिडंट स्लीप एट ऑल क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि अगर मैं थोड़ा सा भी सो रहा हूँ मैं तो उठने नहीं वाला.
What are you doing?
I'm dead, bro.
What's left to do? You just have another 3 to 4 hours left. What's the plan?
I'll improve on the UI a bit. We still have not deployed the front end. That is also there. A lot of things are left actually. We still have not made the food analysis part. There are quite a few things are left, and I hope that my teammates come back.
How are you going to do it alone?
Who said I'm alone?
And now you're alone. Your teammates are sleeping.
Bro, come on. So this laptop, they deployed it. I just need them to post it back again. Finally, we were done with implementing the posture rectifier wheel feature, and we were actually really happy. And this is the demo.
Try to bend your knees more. You're doing right.
Is it not telling?
Yeah, it will tell actually, but not now. Just now.
Try to bend your knees more.
Ouch.
You're doing right.
There you
Good form. Good squat.
go. What the?
Dude, it's not a cold dude. Good squad, bro.
Finally, we worked a little bit more. Nutrition wala feature bhi chal raha tha, and everything was almost working properly by 12 itself. And submission around 2 baje hona tha. But we spent most our time just fixing small bugs. The app was successfully complete, but properly polished nahi tha isse. Plans bahut sare banaye the, but we couldn't really implement everything because we didn't really have the time. Finally, judges aa gaye the hamare project ko judge karne, and judges actually were 2 of our instructors. And I feel our presentation was pretty good. Rehan did most of the talking, and he did actually pretty well. I felt so tired that I think I was like half conscious or something, and not everything felt real. I don't know how to explain it, but that was how it was. But anyway, we waited for the results to come, and surprise, we didn't win. 3 positions थे mostly, that is first, second and third, and Scalar School of Technology से कोई भी नहीं जीत पाया. Might be because mostly सिर्फ first years ने ही part लिया था Scalar से. But the people who won were actually very very talented. I guess I'm also kind of glad that SST didn't really make anyone win, क्योंकि they were the one organizing this event, so I'm pretty sure they could have made someone win from Scalar School of Technology itself. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the entire hackathon. Genuine thanks to all my teammates. उनको मैंने रियल लाइफ में इन पर्सन इतना अप्रिशिएट नहीं किया जितना इस वीडियो में कर रहा हूँ, बट आई ट्रूली मीन इट, क्योंकि इट वॉज इंसेनली फन एंड बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. लाइक आई डोंट इवन नो आई कुड स्टे अवेक दिस लॉन्ग विदाउट प्रॉपर स्लीप. हालांकि नेक्स्ट 2 दिन मैंने सिर्फ सो के ही बिता दिया, क्योंकि आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू कंपनसेट फॉर द स्लीप डेप्थ. I don't know. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel as well. And अगर तुम सोच रहे हो कि hackathon का सबसे difficult part क्या था, it was actually waking up for the hackathon. Bye.